So yesterday ended up a bit of a rain off really. So where we are the next day, the sun is shining and we've moved locations. Check this out. Not a bad view, hey? So we're going to do a little bit of a walk and we're going to walk up the mountain to Waterfall. So let's see about having a paddle. We've walked our way up from the lake back there. We're now walking up Aira Force Waterfall. So let's get to the top of this. Here we go. So, to me, we've just done a hike, but to most people, we've just stepped up a little bit. You know when you're unfit, when you wait at the top of the third set of steps, and somebody walks past you with a couple of Tesco carrier bags. Demoralising. But we're carrying on. Onward. Steady up. I think we're about halfway at the top, Emily. And there's here, the other two were rock climbing, as you just saw. So we're heading up this. Oh, path here. But we're going to wait here because there's some rocks down here. We might want to go for a paddle. Gonna go down there? Oh, Bear Grylls extraordinaire. Smile! That's it. Right, water stop. So we've come from over there. I think we're nearly the top. So we're just going to head over this bridge and see if we can get down at the other side of the waterfall. But we're not sure. actually pushed on and we've actually got to the top.
High Cascades Bridge.
High Cascades Bridge. I'm dead, I'm not going to lie. But we got the view. Hang on. Ooh. Ooh.
Don't stand down there, we've got to take a picture of you. You're not going to get carried down straight, you're alright. Get right to the bottom. Oh, don't bother jumping, just go round.
Jump across, come on.
Get right down there.
Go on, Emily. Mummy, she's going to do it.
Stand away from her. I'm ready to catch you. If I stand here,
Hey! No pressure, Maddie. And before you all start asking, no, it's not happening.
and then you can jump
But-
the way.
They all made it across, and I'm the only one who didn't.
Mum.
Oh, they might be coming back across the right way. Let's have a look. Now, go back that way with Mummy. I think that's enough risk for today. Right, we're going to start and head back down to the car. So you're right, remember we were stood up there, we've done up there, round, and somehow we've come down this side of the waterfall, which looks, ooh, we made it. We're getting to the bottom, we're just going to pop to the car, then we're off to back to that lake for a dip. And that's not bad going for a guy who struggles to walk to a local corner shop. Hashtag on it. Hashtag feeling fitter. So, nicely refreshed in the car. We're now walking back to the lake where we first started. Some people amongst us going for a little paddle. So I've got a towel. Not costumes on. I was going to put costumes on, but we voted against swimming in the lake. But no, we're going to make our way back over there. Let's get in the water.
So,
Hold the camera up
we're going to the
Look
lake
at the camera.
that we went to first because we were going to paddle, but then we didn't, so we're going back now, if that makes sense. So, we're going to paddle up. I don't think Mum and Dad are, but me and Maddie are. So, we're on the path going to the lake, and I've got some binoculars actually because Dad gave them to me, so I'm going to use them to maybe have a look at these mountains.
So, I think Emily's just brought you up to speed, but if you didn't understand that, basically we're now back where we started at the water's edge and they're all paddling. Check this out. So there you go, guys. We're to the top of the waterfall and all the way back down to the lake for the paddle. I hope you've enjoyed this. Don't forget to like and subscribe below. Look back here at our other vlogs. I'm going to end this one here so it doesn't get too long. But now we're making progress and we're making to where we're going, Silloth. So tomorrow, join us for arriving at the accommodation and see what we get up to tomorrow. See you later, guys. Don't forget to like and see you later.